Hi, I'm Caroline, a punch needle tutor and artist. Today I'm going to show you some different ways to finish off a punch needle project. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to show you various techniques on how to finish your piece. One of the ways to finish is to cut around your piece roughly an inch from the ring. Turn your piece over and with a needle and thread you can do a running stitch around the spare fabric. Go around again to double stitch. Use the outer edge of your embroidery hoop as a template. Draw around the hoop. Cut out the felt. Now I'm going to glue this felt onto the back of my punch needle piece. Here I'm painting a line of PVA glue around the outside edge of the felt. Glue it to the wooden section of your loop. Another way to finish is to whip stitch. Using a yarn needle, push it from the back to the front and wrap around the edge of the hoop. Close the yarn tail in as you stitch. Thread the tail of the yarn through the existing whip stitches and cut the excess. I'm going to show you how to sew a punch needle project. We're going to pin the front and back sections of this project with right sides together. Now place your pinned pieces of fabric onto the sewing machine with the punched side on top. Now sew as closely as you can to the punched piece. Get your zipper foot as close as you can to the punched piece. Remove the pins and you can chop the corners off. For more punch needle techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.